Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to draw nice roads in SketchUp using the Curviloft extension. If you don't know how to download 2D or 3D roads that match your terrain, just go to TopoExport.com, the link is in the description. Let's go back to SketchUp. First export the 3D model, then hide all the unnecessary layers so it can be focused on the roads. Here you can see the 3D road outlines. Now select the Curviloft tool and click on Lofted by Spline. To use the tool correctly, you need to select two parallel road curves. Start by selecting one side of the road, then the other. Make sure not to select the ends segments. Once both sides are selected, click twice to confirm the shape. For a more complex shape, you may need to subdivide the road into smaller segments. Then just repeat the process. Once you are done, you can color each road segment in orange, for example. Now turn the hidden layers back on to see the road in the context. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe for SketchUp tutorials.